Hi everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today's recipe is Turkey Cranberry Casserole. This is one awesome and delicious way to use up leftover turkey. And after a large meal, it uses up a lot of the other leftovers as well. This uses turkey, stuffing, and cranberries along with complements to make a special delicious blend that you may even like better than the original meal. If you like casseroles, stay tuned and I'll show you how this one's made. Start by taking a medium saucepan, add a little bit of hot water and a little sprinkle of salt, and cook 4 cups of egg noodles until they're just slightly tender. Meanwhile, you'll take and chop 1 cup of sweet onion. Then you'll take and place that in a frying pan and saute it in some butter until it's lightly browned and cooked through. And then add 3/4 of a cup of leftover gravy and stir that in until it's nicely melted. Then add 1 can of cream of chicken soup to that. Then stir that in until it's well combined. Then you add 2½ cups of chopped cooked turkey. Now this could be substituted for chicken, of course. Now take your large spoon and stir it until the turkey is well coated. Now then let's season this up a little bit. Add 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning and stir that in really well. Now add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Now after you've mixed that again, add 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. And it's always good to stir it after each ingredient just to make sure it gets well incorporated. Now then, have a little fun. Add 1/2 cup of whole berry cranberry sauce. This makes for a really rich and sweet yet mellow flavor that sets this dish apart. So next you're going to add half of your cooked egg noodles, so 2 cups. Then you lightly grease your casserole dish. And then you take the remaining 2 cups of cooked egg noodles and put them in the bottom of the casserole dish and spread them out evenly. Then you add 3/4 of a cup of cooked carrots and peas, or whatever vegetables you have left over, that works fine. Then you'll take your meat mixture and pour it on top of the noodles and veggies. Then take your spoon and spread it out till it's even in the casserole dish like this. And it's not finished yet, here comes a little bit more fun. Add 2 cups of leftover stuffing and crumble it over the top. Then over top of it all, you'll put 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. And you'll need to have your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you'll place it in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes, just until the cheese is nicely melted and slightly browned. There you have it. It's ready to serve. It's basically the full turkey meal all in one casserole. One more touch. Add some dried cranberries. This is absolutely wonderful. Can't wait to dig into this. So check this out. Write down the recipe, give it a try, and I hope you love it. And thanks so much for watching Best Recipes with Sharon.